Now this is how you can turn on your GoPro. Let's get started. So of course, you can grab it like this, and it kind of depends on the exact model that you use, but on most of them you have two physical buttons. One is on the side right there, and one is on the top. Essentially, you can turn on the GoPro by holding down either of these buttons, but if you hold down the one at the top, it will begin recording the video automatically and right away. So it is a cool feature in case you don't want to waste time just turning it on and starting the video like that. You can just hold down directly on this button right there, on this like shutter button, and after it loads up, it records the video right away. That is, as I said, to save time and make sure no moment is wasted. But you can also hold down on the other side, on the button on the left here, which essentially just turns it on and you get to the regular page. You can set up a mode and turn on Wi-Fi, whatever you gotta do, but it's not gonna record the video right away. One thing to keep in mind, kind of obvious, but you want to ensure that the battery is charged properly. So open up the case and either pop in a fully charged battery there or connect a USB-C charger, and therefore just wait for the process of charging and ensure that it is charged up properly before you begin. Otherwise, you will not be able to use it. Obvious, but yeah, kind of how it works. So for more tutorials about GoPro, check out the channel right here because I published a lot of them. And if you have some thoughts or questions, leave them below. So thanks a lot for watching again. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and I can see you in the next one in the future.